Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE X80 and let me show you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll and find the security and location. Scroll down again and let's find encryption and credentials. Let's tap on it, and at the very bottom of the list we've got the clear credentials option, so let's tap on it. If you really want to remove all the contents, all the certificates, simply click on OK. If you've got a pattern or a PIN, let's enter it to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage is erased, so everything went fine. So that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your DOOGEE X80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.